Aging Aitken Robertson to courtroom number 2. The jury is back with a verdict. Members of the jury, how do you find the accused? Guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty on all accounts, Your Honor.
Welcome back, everyone, to Legally Speaking. Today, we are covering a topic that has become more relevant as technology advances: deepfake pornography. With me is Richard Aitkens, a seasoned criminal lawyer, here to speak on this issue. Hi, Richard. Thank you for joining us.
Well, it's a pleasure, Melanie. This topic is especially important given how technology keeps outpacing legal frameworks.
So, Richard, let's start at the beginning. What exactly is deepfake pornography?
Good question, Mel. Deepfake pornography involves the use of artificial intelligence, AI, to superimpose someone's face, sometimes even their voice, onto another person's body in a pornographic video. The technology behind this is called deep learning, the type of AI that uses algorithms to learn from large sets of data. Essentially, it allows videos and images to appear extremely realistic, even if they're completely fabricated. You cannot really tell the difference.
That sounds very concerning, especially in terms of consent and privacy. So, what makes deepfake pornography so dangerous?
It's highly dangerous, Melanie, for a few reasons. First, it's often created and shared without the consent of the person depicted, which violates the right to privacy. This can lead to severe emotional and psychological harm, social stigma, and reputational damage to the victims. Additionally, when these depictions target minors, in other words, people under 18, it crosses into serious criminal territory like child pornography.
Okay, so let's talk about that. What kind of criminal charges can someone face if they create or share deepfake pornography?
Currently, the creation of deepfake pornography isn't explicitly outlined as a crime in the Canadian Criminal Code. However, that doesn't mean there aren't legal consequences if the deepfake depicts a person under the age of 18. It falls under the laws against child pornography and is treated extremely seriously. In such cases, individuals can face severe charges and penalties with sentences up to 14 years in prison. For adults, the sharing of such content without the depicted person's consent can be prosecuted under Section 162.1 of the Criminal Code of Canada, which deals with the publication of intimate images without consent. Convictions under this law can result in up to 5 years of imprisonment. And of course, people under 18 cannot legally consent.
Wow, that sounds intense. So it sounds like that even if someone claims that the content isn't real and it was meant as a joke, that they could still face significant legal trouble?
Exactly. Under Section 162.1, the intent behind sharing the image or video doesn't matter. The critical point is whether the person depicted consented to the image or video being shared. The motives of the accused are considered irrelevant, which means that even if it was intended as a joke, like a joke on your friends, it's not a defense in court.
And then are there any other charges someone could face that relates to deepfake pornography?
Yes, there are. Depending on how the deepfake is used, charges could also include criminal harassment if it's used to intimidate or blackmail someone. If it's shared for profit in a way that's dehumanizing or degrading, you can be prosecuted under Section 163, Sub 1 for selling or publicizing obscene materials.
Wow, it really seems like the law is trying to catch up with these new challenges. Is there any current movement to address deepfake technology specifically?
Good observation, Melanie. Yes, there's ongoing work in this area. The federal government of Canada has been looking at laws that focus on privacy and regulating online behavior. While deepfake technology isn't fully addressed in the criminal code yet, it's clear that changes are coming. Until then, cases involving deepfakes often fall under existing laws related to consent, obscenity, harassment, or child exploitation.
So, Richard, what should someone do if they are a victim of deepfake pornography or if they find themselves in legal trouble for creating or sharing it?
If someone's been a victim, they should report it to the police immediately and seek legal assistance. For those who might be in legal trouble, it's vital to consult with a criminal lawyer as soon as possible. These cases are complex, and having a proper legal representative early in this process is imperative for understanding one's rights and potential defenses.
Well, that's some solid advice, Richard. It is clear that while the technology is moving quickly, the law is taking steps to catch up. So thank you so much for shedding light on such an important but sensitive issue.
Anytime, Melanie. And as well, I want to add, apart from criminal sanctions, anyone creating deep fakes on someone faces potential huge civil consequences. They can be sued, and the damages could be enormous. It's crucial here, Mel, to stay informed and vigilant as technology and the law evolve together.
Well, thank you everyone for joining us today for the Aitken Robertson YouTube channel. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Until next time, stay informed, stay engaged, and take care. Thank you for tuning in to Legally Speaking, proudly brought to you by Aitken Robertson Criminal Defence. We represent clients facing criminal charges all over Ontario, providing you with legal support and dedicated advocacy. If you enjoyed this episode and want to see more content, please like and subscribe to our channel. For more information, visit our website. We also offer free books on various types of criminal charges, which you can request on our website or by using the QR codes on your screen now. For legal assistance, call us today or visit our website to request a meeting with one of our experienced lawyers or licensed paralegals. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Legally Speaking.